Hey there, if you're watching this video right now, what this video entails is to reflecting on people's idea and comments on the TikTok Silly challenge. Well, make sure to watch the video to the end because there's cool stuff waiting for you at the end of the video. Hi guys, welcome to the video. If you're on this channel, welcome to Remedy Tech. Well, it's AY here with another video again. And this video is about the TikTok Silly challenge issue that occurred recently. And I'm not here to insult or criticize anybody or just pass insults to anybody, but I'm just here to clear guys' thought on the TikTok Silly challenge issue. Uh, and the comment people dropped on my video, that's what I'm going to be discussing right here. Well, this is going to be the first and last video I'm going to be making on this issue. So first of all, I admitted I was wrong with the video editing tutorial that I did on Twitter and YouTube. Well, I went ahead and tweeted that I was sorry via Twitter where this first started. Where this issue first started. Well, so I went ahead there, tweeted that I'm so sorry, and I also noticed after tweeting that people still drop insults, pass insults to people, to each other down in the comment section down below the video. So I went ahead and pinned a comment apologizing to you guys on the video. I pinned that comment, but people still continue with that. You pushed me to the wall. I started replying you guys, but I'm going to be discussing the comments right here, right now on this video. So I'm still here. Yeah, I'm again apologizing to you guys. But if you don't accept my apology, you're not kind enough to forgive or accept the apologies. Of course, I'm human. I make mistakes. But if you're not kind enough to, or just generous enough to forgive or accept people's apologies, or that you just keep on living with this strong mind, just get you can stop viewing my videos. If that's the worst you can do, you can go ahead and report also. If you can't accept apologies, just stop watching my videos. Well, and once it still stands, I'm not deleting that video. Not because I'm a Jericho, but once view this issue from another angle. What if I posted the video editing tutorial before the challenge? Or can't you just view this video as a video editing tutorial? Well, I just what I did was just attending to people's demands. What was trending on Twitter then was removing the red filter, was editing the filter out, and I made a video on that on people's demands, and people went ahead and come to watch the video. If you don't like what is going on or you don't like the people's demands, you can just go ahead and skip the video. What were you looking for in the first place that you finally landed on my video and started commenting? What were you looking for in the first place? Did YouTube recommend the video to you? If you are not a subscriber or you've not been watching similar content, YouTube will not recommend the YouTube algorithm will not recommend such video to you. I mean, you've got something fishy going on too. So now let's discuss about the comments. I'll be reading out the comments from my screen for a year. I've got a lot of comments on my YouTube studio app. Right here. So the first one is somebody who I'm not going to be mentioning her name. She said I think she's a girl or something like she's a lady. She said why can't guys that are going a long way to edit that filter out? Why can't they go to 80 plus sites to check it out, to check more pictures and clean pictures without even going through that stress? Well, I don't think a responsible lady will do the select challenge. Well, from my own point of view, no, a responsible lady won't do the select challenge. 90% of people doing the select challenge are already 80 plus actors. So you already have clean pictures on the internet selling your bodies. Why would you be concerned about people removing a filter that won't even be clear enough? So that's one. And two is that a responsible lady or girl or woman with sense will not even stand in front of a camera without clothes, recording a video behind a filter a human being made. It, for God's sake, a human made that filter and can go ahead and remove the filter, can go ahead and edit the filter behind a human made filter and going ahead and posting it on the internet. That feels awkward. It doesn't make any sense. Irresponsibility. If you're not put by social media influence or you see people doing that, you want to be in the trend. You won't go ahead stand in front of camera on one super red lights or introduce one super red filter, then start dancing in front of camera with their clothes. So That doesn't make sense. So for the 18 plus actors, at least you that commented that, did you do the Stealer challenge? I'm talking to those of you that we are insulting guys now in the comment section below that they were jacks, they are jacks, they are pervs, that they are going along with videos where they can go to a lot of sites and check the pictures. Did you do the Stealer challenge? That's a question for you. Just drop it and answer the question down in the comment section down below this video. Did you do it? If you didn't do it, that means you have sense. You know what you're doing. But most of the people that did Slave Challenge are already plus actors, so I don't know why you go ahead and make a fuss about it. If you didn't do it, people will edit your people, you won't be able to edit because you didn't post it, you don't even do it, you didn't even do it, so you have no problem whatsoever. So that's the main comment I'll be emphasizing on in this video. So I'll check on some other comments and I'll also reply them. One some people went ahead and reported the video. Well, I don't know actually what they reported the video for. Some people reported my page on Twitter. I don't know actually what they reported it for. If you check the video, I don't see any form of I don't see anything violating the YouTube channel values. I don't know. I don't actually see that because I censored the part, so I don't actually see any issue with me violating the YouTube privacy policy. So some people are claiming people go to hell, 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 hell. So what if people editing videos, graphic designer or people editing videos are going to hell? What about the 18 actors? They're going to heaven, right? So I don't know about that also. But there are a lot of comments here. Katrina Corey also, I said I won't mention it, but she went ahead and commented a lot on everybody's comment. She replied to everybody's comment actually. Yeah, I love this comment. One a guy said, if you're concealing, then somebody commented that it's meant to be concealed. Why is it concealed? The filter is not permanent. It is made by human beings. You just when I stand in one stupid filter or on one stupid red light, they start dancing without you're not even concealing any part. I start dancing, so that's not concealed. So it's a guy also said it's not private exposure. Like just say that is right also. So just a lot of comments out there. I can't discuss about it all, but I apologize to you guys. If you can't accept the apologies, then stop watching my videos. If you think you can't cope with me, you can't judge me based on what I post. You don't know me fully well. You haven't interacted with me. You haven't. You haven't even made. You are not friends with me. You don't know what I do. You don't. You don't. You have not interacted with me before, so you can't judge me by what I post. I'm not a jerk. I'm not a perv. So I just implemented. I took advantage of what was trending and solve people's problem. I mean, what's the essence of baking business or stuff like that? I solved people's problem. I attended to people's demands, and that's the end result of attending to people's demand. Use what is trending to get. If you can't do that, if you can't use what is trending right now on YouTube to make videos, you can't get views. You have to look for what people are searching for, then make a video on that to get views, and that's exactly what I do, what I did. So I don't see no, I don't see any issue on that. Well, if you accepted my apology, go ahead and hit the like button down below this video and comment in the section below that you've accepted the apology or stuff like that. Just comment in that section, the comment section down below what you think. And I also noticed something. Most of my viewers are not subscribed, so just imagine everybody viewing this video subscribe to the channel. How cool would it be? So I've made up my mind. At every 100 subscribers, I will be giving out cash. I will be doing a cash giveaway. So once I hit 200 subscribers, there'll be a cash giveaway. Once I hit 300 subscribers, there'll be a cash giveaway. 400 subscribers, there'll be a cash giveaway. Until I reach 100,000 subscribers, at every 100 subscribers, there'll be a cash giveaway. So just hit the subscribe button down below this video. Well, I'm not forcing you to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe anytime. And it's cool if you're not subscribing right now because I don't actually subscribe to every channel I watch on the YouTube platform. I just watch some videos and get out of there. So if you just watch this video and you don't feel like subscribing, it's cool. Well, catch you in the next video. I have a lot of video ideas planned for you guys. So I'm creating the next for the next 1 month. I think I'm going to be creating a video based on smartphone hacks. So I'm going to be creating a playlist based on smartphone hacks, from Google secret and tricks, to secret codes on your phone, to secret tips on secret things that you probably don't know existed on your phones, on your smartphone. What you can do with your smartphone and stuff like that. I'll be creating a playlist. Subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell so not to miss that. Well, catch you in the next video. Peace.